Arduino Leonardo looks familiar. A quiet board, a hidden door, a little more than what you saw before. Its heart is the 8-bit Atmega 32U4, running at 16 megahertz, steady in rhythm, precise in response. 32 kilobytes of flash hold the code, 4 reserved for the bootloader. 2.5 kilobytes of SRAM keep the moment alive, and 1 kilobyte of EPROM remembers, even after the power is gone. 20 digital pins wait along the edge. 7 can pulse with PWM. 12 can listen as analog inputs. A line can rise, a value can fall, and Leonardo can quietly feel it all. But its most seductive feature is not a pin. It is native USB. The same chip that runs your sketch can speak directly to the computer as a keyboard, as a mouse, or as a virtual serial port. No separate USB to serial bridge, no extra voice between thought and choice. Just code, connection, recognition. Press a button and a letter appears. Turn a sensor and the cursor draws near. Touch the control and the system responds. That makes Leonardo ideal for custom keyboards, macro pads, game controllers, accessibility devices, interactive installations, MIDI-style interfaces, and automation tools. Leonardo operates at 5 volts. It supports UART, I2C, and SPI, with SPI available through the 6-pin ICSP header. And remember this gentle division. Serial is the USB connection. Serial 1 is the hardware UART on pins 0 and 1. So Leonardo does not merely control the machine. It can become the control, the rhythm, the roll. A small board, a direct accord, a signal crossing from hand to command. Arduino Leonardo, when your code should not only run, but reach through USB and become the touch itself.